Hello students, we are doing chapter 18, area of circle, and we have already completed till question number 6 in our previous video. So today we'll start from question number 7, okay? So this is question number 7. Sumit and Reba have taken two copper wire having same length. Sumit has bent the wire in the form of a rectangular shape of which length and breadth are 48 cm and 40 cm. But Reba bent the copper wire with same length in the form of a circle. Let us see by calculating which will cover maximum place between the rectangle drawn by Sumit and circle drawn by Reba. So let us understand this question. Two copper wires of equal lengths are taken, okay? These are two copper wires of same length. One wire is given to Sumit and another wire is given to Reba. Sumit used this copper wire to make a rectangle, okay? This is a rectangle made by Sumit using this copper wire. Length of the rectangle is 48 centimeter. This is 48 centimeter, okay? And breadth of the rectangle is 40 centimeter. If this is 48, this is also 48, isn't it? Opposite sides of rectangle are equal. If this is 40, this must also be equal to 40 centimeter, isn't it? Now, Reba used this copper wire to make a circle, okay? Reba made circle out of this copper wire. Now the question is asking us which of these two figures will cover maximum area? Which of these two figures will have more area? This is the question. So to solve this question, let us first understand that both of these figures are made out of equal length copper wire, isn't it? That means perimeter of both the figures will be equal, because perimeter is the length of the wire, isn't it? So let's do this question. Let us write the perimeter of the rectangle made by Sumit, okay? Since length of the rectangle is given 48 centimeter and breadth of the rectangle is given 40 centimeter, isn't it? So let us find the perimeter of this rectangle, which will be equal to the perimeter of the circle, that is circumference of circle, okay? Therefore, perimeter of the rectangle made by Sumit, okay? Perimeter of the rectangle equal to 2 into length plus breadth. This is the formula for perimeter, isn't it? So 2 into what is length? Length is 48 plus breadth. What is breadth? Breadth is 40. So this will give us 2 into 8 plus 0, 8, 4 plus 4 is 8. 2 8s are 16, 2 8s are 16 plus 1 is 17, 176 centimeter. So this is the perimeter of this rectangle, isn't it? 176 centimeter is the perimeter of this rectangle. Since both the figures are made out of same length of copper wire, so the circumference of this circle will also be 176 centimeter, okay? Before that, let's find the area of this rectangle. Now, area of the rectangle made by Sumit equal to, so what is the formula for area of rectangle? Area of rectangle is given by length into breadth, isn't it? So what is length? Length is 48 into what is breadth? Breadth is 40. So 4 8s are 32, 4 4s are 16, 17, 18, 19. 19, this 0 we write here. 1920 square centimeter, okay? This is the area of this rectangle. Now let us come to the point. Since both these copper wires are equal in length, okay, so the perimeters of these two figures will be equal. Therefore, we can write, since circumference of circle, circumference and perimeter are same thing, okay? Circumference of circle equal to 176 centimeter, isn't it? So what is the formula for circumference of circle? 2 pi r, isn't it? So 2 into pi into r. 2 pi r is the formula for circumference, and circumference is known to us, that is 176. From here we can find the radius, okay? Or 2 into the value of pi is 22/7 into r equal to 176, or r equal to 176 into this 7 will go to the numerator and 2 into 22 will go to the denominator. Okay, now let us cancel this out. 11 2s are 22, 11 1s are 11, plus 6 is 17. So we have 6 in hand, this becomes 66. 11 6 is 66. 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. So 4 into 7, or r equal to 4 into 7 is 28 centimeter. Okay, so we got the radius of this circle. Length of the radius is 28 centimeter, isn't it? Now, since we know the radius, we can easily find the area of the circle, isn't it? And after that, we will compare whose area is greater, whether the area of rectangle is greater or the area of circle is greater. Okay, so let us find the area of the circle. Since area of circle is given by the formula, area of circle equal to pi r square, isn't it? So what is the value of pi? 22/7. R is the radius, so radius is known to us, 28. R square means 28 into 28. 7 1s are 7, 7 4s are 28. This 22 we write here into 4 8s are 32, 4 2s are 8, 9 10 11. 22 into 112. Okay, let me multiply here. 112 into 22. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. This is 4, this is 6, this is 4, this is 2. So 2464, isn't it? 22 times 112 is 2464 square centimeter. Okay. Now we got the area of circle, that is 2464 square centimeter, and we have the area of rectangle, that is 1920 square centimeter. Though both the figures are made out of same length of copper wire, okay, their perimeters are equal, even then their areas are different. We can clearly see the areas are different, and we can see that area of circle is greater than the area of rectangle. Okay, therefore area of circle is greater than area of rectangle. Okay, from this we can conclude that for equal perimeter, area of circle is always greater than the area of a rectangle. Okay, question number 8. At the center of rectangular field of Pioneer Athletic Club, there is a circular pool of which length of radius is 14 meter. The length and breadth of a rectangular field are 60 meter and 42 meter respectively. Let us see by calculating how much cost it will take for planting grass of remaining place of rectangular field except pool at the rate of ₹75 per square meter. So let's understand this question. We have a rectangular field. The length of this rectangular field is given to us, that is 60 meter, and breadth of this rectangular field is 42 meter. Okay, so this is also 60 meter and this is equal to 42 meter, isn't it? There is a circular pool at the center of this rectangular field. This is given to us, and the radius of this circular pool is 14 meter. Now the question is asking us, leaving the area of this circular pool, the rest of the rectangular field is to be planted with grass. Okay, and the rate of planting grass is ₹75 per square meter. So the question is asking us, what will be the total cost for planting grass in this remaining area of rectangular field? Okay, so let's do this question. How do we do this question is, first we will find the area of this remaining part. Okay, that is, how do we find that? First we find the area of this rectangle. and then we find the area of this circular pool. After that we will subtract the area of circular pool from the area of the rectangle. That will give us the area of this vacant field. Okay, so when we know the area of the vacant field where the grass is to be planted, we will multiply with the rate, we will get the total amount, isn't it? So let us do this question. Since length and breadth of the rectangular field are 60 meter and 42 meter respectively. Okay, so let's find the area of the rectangular field. Okay, therefore area of the rectangular field so what is the formula for area for rectangle? Length into breadth, isn't it? So what is length? Length is 60 meter into breadth is 42 meter. We multiply 60 into 42. 6 2s are 12, 6 4s are 24, plus 1 is 25. 252 meter into meter is meter square, or we can also write square meter. Okay, 252 square meter. So area of this rectangular field including the area of the circular pool is 252 square meter. Now we will find the area of this circular pool. Okay, since radius of the circular pool is 14 meter, this is given, radius of the circular pool is 14 meter, therefore area of the circular pool equal to, what is the formula for area of a circle? That is pi r square. So pi r square, pi is 22 by 7 into r, r is the radius, so radius is 14, r square means 14 into 14, 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 22 we write here into 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 28 into 22, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4, 5, 56 again, so this 6 we write here, 6 plus 5 11, 5 plus 1 is 6, 616 square meter. We have the area of the circular pool, that is 616 square meter. So area of rectangle is length into breadth, that is 60 into 42, that is 252. This 0 we write here. Okay, 2520 square meter, 2520 square meter. Okay, I forgot to write 0. 6 into 42 is 252. This 0 we write here, that means 2520 square meters. So we have the area of rectangle and the area of circle, isn't it? Area of rectangle is the total area including the circular pool, and area of circular pool is this. Okay, so if we subtract the area of circular pool from the total area of the rectangle, we get the remaining area of the rectangular field, isn't it? Therefore area of the rectangular field excluding the area of circular field. Area of the rectangular field excluding the area of circular field means leaving the area of circular field. Okay, that is, what is the area of rectangular field? 2520 square meters minus area of circular field, circular pool, that is 616 circular pool. Okay, 2520 minus 616 square meters. This is the area where the grass is to be planted. Okay, now this will give us 10 minus 6 is 4, this becomes 1, 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay, this is 5, We cannot subtract 6 from 5. So 15 minus 6 is 9. This becomes 1. 1904 square meters. So this is the area of the remaining part of the rectangular field, excluding the area of the circular pool. Okay, circular pool. Therefore, since rate of planting the grass, rate of planting grass equal to rupees 75 per square meter, isn't it? That means to plant grass in 1 square meter of land, rupees 75 has to be spent. So how much money has to be spent to plant grass in this much area? Suppose if the cost of 1 apple is rupees 5, what will be the cost of 10 apples? We simply multiply the quantity with the rate, isn't it? So we multiply this quantity with the rate. Okay, therefore total cost of planting grass equal to total area, that is 1904, that is quantity, into rate 75. Okay, so let me multiply here. 1904 into 75. 5 4s are 20, 0, 5 0 0, 2, 5 9s are 45, 5 4 in hand, 5 1s are 5, plus 4 is 9. 7 4s are 28, 8 7 0 0, 2, 7 9s are 63, 3 6 in hand, 7 1s are 7, plus 6 is 13. 0, 8 plus 2 is 10, 5 plus 2 is 7, plus 1 is 8, 9 plus 3 12, 3 plus 1 is 4, and this one 142800. Okay, 142800, rupees 142800. So 1,42,800 rupees is needed to plant the grass in the remaining part of the rectangular field, excluding the area of the circular pool, at the rate of rupees 75 per square meter. Okay. Question number 9. A 7-meter wide path runs outside a circular park of Italgasa Friends Association Club along perimeter. Let us write by calculating the area of path. If the perimeter of circular park is 352 meter, let us write by calculating how much cost for concreting the path at the rate of rupees 20 per square meter. So let's understand the question. We have a circular park whose radius is unknown to us. So let's assume small r. Okay, but the perimeter of this circular park is given to us. Perimeter is 352 meter. 352 meter is the perimeter. Okay, from this perimeter we can easily calculate the radius of this circular park. Okay, and there is a circular path around the perimeter of the circular park of equal width. Okay, and the width of this path is 7 meter. This is given. Width is same everywhere, so this is also 7 meter, and this is also 7 meter. Okay, so the question is, first part of the question is, we are asked to calculate the area of this circular path, and the second part of the question is, we are asked to calculate the total cost of concreting the circular path at the rate of rupees 20 per square meter. Okay, concreting means to put cement, means to construct this path. Let's understand, to construct this circular path at the rate of rupees 20 per square meter, what will be the total cost for the construction of this total area of the path. Okay, so let's do this question. From this perimeter we can calculate the radius of the circular park. So let us first calculate the radius of the circular park. Okay, since perimeter of the circular park equal to 352 meters, isn't it? So what is the formula for perimeter? The formula for perimeter of a circle is 2 pi r. Okay, so 2 pi r is the perimeter, and perimeter is equal to 352. This is given to us. From this equation we can calculate the value of r, that is radius of the circular park. Okay, So 2 is 2 into pi is 22 by 7 into r equal to 352. Or we keep r in the left hand side and take everything to the right hand side. Okay, so r equal to 352 into this 7 goes to the numerator and 2 into 22 goes to the denominator by cross multiplication. 11 2 is a 22, 11 3 is a 33, 34 35, 2 in hand, this becomes 22, 11 2 is a 22, 2 1 is a 2, 2 16 is a 32, 2 1 is a 2, 2 8 is a 16, or r equal to we have 8 into 7, 8 7 is a 56 meter. So we have the length of the radius of the circular park, that is 56 meter. So we can see two circles here, isn't it? One is inner circle, which is the circular park, and the other is the outer circle, which is the circular park along with the circular path. Okay, so what is the radius of the outer circle? Radius of the outer circle is 56 plus 7, isn't it? Because we know this is the radius of the inner circle. So this is radius of the inner circle means 56 and width of the path is 7. 56 plus 7 is 63. 56 plus 7. 7 plus 6 is 13. 3. 5 plus 1 is 6. 63 meter. So what we do is we find the area of the outer circle and then we find the area of the inner circle. After that we will subtract the area of the inner circle from the area of the outer circle. That will give us the area of the path, isn't it? So we are going to find the area of the outer circle. Okay, since area of the park including the area path. Area of the park including the area path means area of the outer circle equal to pi into capital R square. Let me write capital R square here. Let me suppose this is capital R. Okay, pi into capital R square. What is the value of pi? Pi is 22 by 7. And what is the value of capital R? Capital R is 63. Okay, so 22 by 7 pi into R square. Radius is 63. 63 square means 63 into 63. 7 1 is 7, 7 9 is 63. 22 into 9 times 63, isn't it? So 9 3 is 27, 2 in hand, 9 6 is 54, 54, 55, 56. 56. 5 6 7 into 22. 5 6 7 into 22. 2 7 is 14, 1 in hand, 2 6 is 12, plus 1 is 13, 3, 1 in hand, 2 5 is 10, plus 1 is 11. 2 7 is 14, 2 6 is 12, 13, 2 5 is 10, plus 1 is 11. 4, 4 plus 3 is 7, 3 plus 1 is 4, 1 plus 1 is 2, this 1. 1, 2, 4, 7, 4. 1, 2, 4, 7, 4 square meters. This is the area of the outer circle. Okay, now we will find the area of the inner circle. And area of the park excluding the area of circular path. Okay, area of the park means pi means 22 by 7 pi r square. Area of circle is pi r square. So pi r square. What is r? R is 56. R square means 56 into 56. Pi r square. Okay, so 7 1 is 7, 7 8 is 56. 22 into 8 into 56. 8 into 56. 8 6 is 48. 8 5 is 40. Plus 4 is 44. 4 4 8 into 22. 2 8 is 16. 2 4 is 8. 9. 2 4 is 8. 2 8 is 16. 2 4 is 8. 9. 2 4 is 8. 6. 9 plus 6 15. 8 plus 9 17. 18 8 9. 9 8 5 6. 9 8 5 6 square meters. So this is the area of the inner circle, and this is the area of the outer circle. So what will be the area of the circular path? Area of the circular path will be the area of outer circle minus the area of the inner circle, isn't it? Therefore, area of circular path equal to area of outer circle, that is 12474 minus area of inner circle, that is 9856 square meters. So we cannot subtract 6 from 4. 14 minus 6 is 8. This becomes 6. 6 minus 5 is 1. 4 minus 8 means 14 minus 8. 14 minus 8 is 6. This becomes 1. So 11 minus 9 is 2. 2618 square meters. This is the area of the circular path. Okay. When we subtract this inner area of inner circle from the area of outer circle, we get the area of the circular path. Now, since the rate of concreting this circular path is rupees 20, I think so, rupees 20 per square meter, what will be the cost to concrete the whole area of the path? Since rate of concreting means to put cement, okay, rate of concreting the path is given, that is rupees 20 per square meter. Rate is rupees 20 per square meter and the total area is 2618 square meter. So what will be the total cost? This into this, isn't it? Therefore, total cost of concreting the path equal to rupees 2618 into 20. Rupees 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2, plus 1 is 3, 2 6s are 12, 2 2s are 4, plus 1 is 5. This 0 we put here. 52,360 rupees 52,360 is required to construct the circular path around the circular park. Okay. Question number 10. Anwar Bibi has spent rupees 2664 at the rate of rupees 18.50 per meter for fencing of her semicircular land. Let us write by calculating how much cost it will take if she makes the semicircular land plow at the rate of rupees 32 per square meter. So let's understand this question. We have a semicircular land, okay? We have a semicircular land. Perimeter of this semicircular land is not given, but rate is given, rate of fencing is given, rate is rupees 18.50 and total cost for fencing is rupees 2664. Okay, rate of fencing is 18.50. That means to fence 1 meter length, rupees 18.50, 18 rupees 50 paise is needed, and this much money is spent to fence the whole semicircular land. So what will be the length of the fence? Let's use this principle of unitary method. If the cost of one apple is rupees 5, that means a rate, isn't it? This is a rate. If the cost of one apple is rupees 5 and this many apples are bought for rupees 50, total amount is rupees 50. Rate means the cost of one apple is rupees 5 and the total cost is rupees 50. So how many apples are bought? Means total amount divided by rate will give us the number of apples, isn't it? That can be bought at rupees 50. Similarly, rate of fencing is rupees 18.50 and the total cost of fencing is rupees 2,664. So what will be the length of the fence around the semicircular land? Is total cost divided by rate. That will give us the length of the fence, isn't it? So length of the fence is actually the perimeter of the semicircular land. Okay, so let's do this question. Since rate of fencing equal to rupees 18.50 and total cost of fencing the semicircular land, okay, total cost of fencing is rupees 2664. Therefore length of the fence equal to total amount divided by rate, 18.5, isn't it? Because 0 has no value, so we don't write 0 here. We eliminate this decimal point and we put 10 in the numerator. Okay, 5 3s are 15 plus 3 is 18, so 5 7s are 35, 5 5s are 25, 26, 1 in hand, this becomes 16, 5 3s are 15, 1 16, 14, 5 2s are 10, plus 4 is 14, so this becomes 40, 5 8s are 40. Let me divide here, 5 3 2 8 divided by 37, 37 1s are 37, 13 minus 7 is 6, this becomes 4, 4 minus 3 is 1, this is 2, 37 4s are 4, 7 are 28, 4 3 are 12, 13 14, 12 minus 8 is 4, this becomes 5, 5 minus 4 is 1, so this 8 comes down, 37 into 4 again is 148, so 37 into 144, isn't it? So we got the length of the fence equal to 144 centimeter. Okay, now this length of the fence is actually the perimeter of the semicircular field, isn't it? Suppose this is the center, then this is one radius and this is another radius, so this is the diameter. Okay, so we have perimeter of the semicircular field. Since perimeter of semicircular field equal to 144, what is the formula for perimeter of semicircular field? Suppose if we write the perimeter of this circle, we write 2 pi r, isn't it? So if we erase half of the circle, then the perimeter of this part of the circle will be half, means divided by 2, isn't it? Half of the perimeter, 2 and 2 cancels out, pi r. Length of this part is pi r. Okay, but we have to fence this side also, so this side, if we fence this side, from this point to this point is small r, and again from this point to this point is another small r, so r plus r is 2r, r plus r is 2r. The length of this curved part is pi r and length of this diameter is 2r. Okay, pi r plus 2r. Perimeter of semicircular field is pi r plus 2r. Okay, I hope you understood this. Now pi r plus 2r equal to 144. Perimeter of semicircular field is pi r plus 2r and this is given 144. Now from this equation we are going to calculate the radius of the semicircular field. Okay, so we take r common, within the bracket we have pi plus 2 equal to 144, or r, pi is 22 by 7 plus 2 equal to 144, or r, we have 1 in the denominator, 7, the LCM of 7 and 1 is 7, 7 1s are 7, 1 into 22 is 22, plus 1 7s are 7, 7 into 2 is 14, equal to 144, or r equal to 144 into this 7 goes to the numerator, and 22 plus 14 is 36, 2 plus 4 is 6, 2 plus 1 is 3, 22 plus 14 36 goes down to the denominator. Okay, 12 3s are 36, 12 12s are 144, 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12, or r equal to 4 into 7, 28 meters. Okay, So the radius of this semicircular field is 28 meter. 28 meter. This is the center. From this point to this point is 28 meter, and again from this point to this point is 28 meter. Okay. Now the question is, to plow this semicircular land at the rate of rupees 32 per square meter, how much money will be required? Okay, so what we do is we first calculate the area of the semicircular field, and then we multiply with the rate, we get the total cost, isn't it? So let us calculate the area of the semicircular land. Okay, therefore we know the radius, so we can calculate the semi area, isn't it? Therefore area of the semicircular land equal to, what is the formula for area of a semicircle? If we write pi r square, this is the area of a full circle. Area of full circle is pi r square. If we divide by 2, we get the area of semicircle. Okay, semi means half of the circle. So this area is actually pi r square by 2. So we write 22 by 7 into r square is, r is radius is 28. So 28 into 28. This 2 is in the denominator, we write 2 here. Okay, 7 1s are 7, 7 4s are 28, 2 1s are 2, 2 11s are 22. 11 we write here into 4 8s are 32, 4 2s are 8, 9 10 11. 11 2s are 22, 2 in hand, 11 1s are 11, 12 13, 3 1 in hand, 11 1s are 11, plus 1 is 12. 1232 square meters. So this is the area of this semicircular land. Okay, since rate of plowing this field is rupees 32 per square meter, rate of plowing this semicircular land is rupees 32 per square meter. Okay, since rate of plowing equal to rupees 32 per square meter, to plow 1 square meter of land, rupees 32 is needed. So to plow this much square of land, this much square meter area of land, how much money is needed? So we simply multiply this 2, isn't it? Therefore total cost of plowing the field, total cost of plowing the semicircular field, equal to 1232 into 32, rupees 1232 into 32. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 4 6 plus 6 is 12, 9 plus 4 is 13, 14, 1 in hand, 6 7 8 plus 1 is 9, 3, 39424, 39424, rupees 39,424 is needed to plow this semicircular land. Okay, at the rate of rupees 32 per square meter. Okay, this much for today. Thank you so much. Stay tuned and God bless you all. Thank you.